Hi everyone, Brett Johnson from Patrick Volvo Cars. We got some exciting news to share with you today that the brand new 2022 XC40 Recharge Twin is here virtually. What I mean by that is we're going to have fresh new 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge Twins available over the vast landscape that is the internet. Only available through patrickvolvocars.com. The 10-step ordering process is simple. You're going to go to patrickvolvocars.com and you're going to click on the button that says Start Your Online Order. From there, you're going to need to select Patrick Volvo Cars as your preferred retailer and select the 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge Twin Pure Electric model. You'll then be able to view your lease, cash and finance offers, and work your entire deal online. The next 2 steps are optional. These include choosing accessories, protection plans, and a trade-in appraisal. If you don't choose anything, our team can help you add them later. When you're ready to go, you will then review your order, submit a $500 refundable deposit to confirm your order of a brand new 2022 Volvo XC40 Twin Recharge. The 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge Twin comes in 2 option packages, the Plus package and the Ultimate package. The Plus package includes keyless entry and drive with illuminated door handles, 2-zone automatic climate control plus clean zone, a 360 surround view camera, HomeLink garage door transmitter, power folding rear headrests, cutting-edge aluminum decorations, a 12-volt outlet in the cargo area, and a removable folding load floor. The Ultimate comes with all that, plus Pilot Assist, the driver assistance system with the adaptive cruise, heated rear seats, headlight high-pressure cleaning, a heat pump for more efficient cooling and heating of your car, Harman Kardon premium audio, and 20-inch V-spoke matte graphite wheels. We are thrilled to announce the brand new 2022 Volvo XC40 Recharge Twin. You know, the digital world is changing every day, but we've made it shockingly easy to order this new car from Patrick Volvo Cars in Schaumburg, Illinois. Please come visit us.
Taking care of you every day. That's the